tanong namin sa Chief of Police. Meron tayong tinatawag na synchronized checkpoint. Mobile yan at anytime, anywhere. May mga fixed checkpoint din. Yun din mismo ang tanong namin sa kanya na hindi niya masagot ng maayos. Kung kaya siya ay na-relieve as Chief of Police at ngayon ay nag-undergo siya ng investigation. We have already increased the number of PNP personnel sa Midsayap Municipal Police Station. We will not take any excuse or alibis for our Chief of Police who will remise their duties. They are standing order and they should comply. As simple as that.